Hello, good afternoon. Mom and sir, my name is Janet Bautista. I am 39 years old, a single mother. I have two children, and their teen age is 15 years old and 13 years old. Currently living here in the Philippines, a high school graduate, but at the same time, I'll finish my training course as Leadership Social Entrepreneurship. I had an experience working abroad as domestic helper or nanny in Macau, China last 2012 to 2018, and I do serve four members of the family. My main duties and responsibilities are to look after the kids. My main responsibilities also is to look after the newborn baby and also the 2 years old child. I also do the household chores like preparing meals, cooking, cleaning, tidy up the room, cleaning the living room, cleaning the kitchen, cleaning the comforting room, and ironing the clothes, folding the clothes, washing the clothes, running errands, and also doing the marketing. I had also experience as domestic helper in Hong Kong last 2021 to 2022. My main duties and responsibilities are to look after the newborn baby and also care the new one pet dog. I also clean the house, cooking, cleaning, iron clothes. I have also experience as domestic helper in Macau, China again last 2023 and 2024 for only 1 year contract. And my main duties and responsibilities are to taking care the 2 years old child, to send and pick up from the school, and also do the cleaning, cooking, marketing, and iron the clothes, fold the whole clothes, and preparing meals. And I hope you like my video, Mom and Sir. I hope to see you soon, and thank you.